The secret of money. Understanding its true power. Money, often seen as the root of all power and influence, holds a complex and multifaceted role in our lives. While many perceive it merely as a means to purchase goods and services, the true secret of money lies in its deeper implications and the way it shapes human behavior, societies, and economies. The psychological power of money. At its core, money is a psychological tool. It represents security, freedom, and opportunity. People often equate financial wealth with success, happiness, and self-worth. This perception drives individuals to work harder, innovate, and sometimes take risks. Understanding this psychological aspect can lead to healthier attitudes towards money and reduce stress related to financial matters. The economic influence. Money facilitates trade and economic growth. It allows for the exchange of goods and services without the inefficiencies of barter systems. By enabling specialization and the division of labor, money helps economies to flourish. The secret here is recognizing that money itself is not valuable, but its utility in transactions and its role in fostering economic activities are what give it significance. The social impact. Money has a profound impact on social structures. It can create social mobility, enabling individuals to improve their socioeconomic status through education, investment, and entrepreneurship. However, it can also reinforce inequalities and create barriers to opportunity if not distributed equitably. The secret of money in this context is its dual role. It can be a tool for empowerment or a source of division. The power of investment. Investing money wisely can lead to significant growth over time. The principles of compounding interest and strategic investments in stocks, real estate, or businesses can multiply wealth. The secret here is understanding the importance of long-term thinking and patience. Wealth accumulation through investments requires informed decision-making and often a willingness to take calculated risks. The importance of financial literacy. One of the most crucial secrets of money is the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how to budget, save, invest, and manage debt can significantly impact one's financial stability and success. Financial education empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and achieve their financial goals. The role of innovation. Innovation drives economic progress, and money often acts as the fuel for innovation. Entrepreneurs and inventors need capital to bring their ideas to life. The secret is recognizing that investing in innovative projects can lead to significant returns, not just financially but also in terms of societal advancements and improvements in quality of life. Conclusion. The secret of money lies in understanding its multifaceted role and harnessing its power effectively. It is not just about accumulating wealth but using money as a tool to achieve security, freedom, and growth. By fostering a healthy relationship with money, investing wisely, and promoting financial literacy, individuals can unlock the true potential of money and use it to create positive change in their lives and communities.